And I'm a big Google review girl too. So like, especially if we're trying to like go to a restaurant or something like that, I'm always looking at the Google reviews.
I just saw your thing up there, so I was just thinking that.
Good. I'm gonna have you take a breath in here for me. Float all the way out. Do a little push here. Good. Nice movement through the mid-back. Let's go on your right side for me, please. Go.
The run-ons, is it Father's Day that you did the run, or?
Bend the top knee. Bottom leg is going to be straight. Oh, nope. Switch.
Oh, sorry.
Nope, that's all good. You're good.
I teach preschool. So
You're good. You're good. The amount of times people, they're like, I have left shoulder pain, and then they like flip over, and I'm like, which is the left one?
I do that all the time.
I did not. Dr. Burney did. He got second place in his age category. On your right side for me.